Welcome back, fourth grade. Today we are going to talk about our TDA chart. Yesterday, I read the story to you. We talked a little about the question. Today we're going to focus on the question again and talk about the elements that are evident within the question. After we do that, we're going to start filling out our chart. So let's go back to the question first and look at this. It says that informational text often include text features to help the reader understand the central idea. Write an essay analyzing how the use of text features helps to identify the central idea that although the flood devastated a community, people helped each other tremendously. Use evidence from the text to support your response. All right, so when we think about a nonfiction text such as this, we want to think about the elements that go along with nonfiction. Perhaps you see this, maybe you don't, but text features and central idea are going to be the two elements that we're going to focus on. Text features are normally photographs with captions, graphs, and charts, and in this case, for today, maps. So we want to look back and we want to use those text features to help us understand the central idea that, even though this community was devastated by the flood, people came together and helped each other. So here's what I did. On our evidence chart, you'll notice that there are three columns. We have the evidence, we have the inference, and we have the analysis. What I want you to remember is when we write in these charts, this is not in paragraph form. These are just our major thoughts and ideas. And then we're going to take these ideas and we're going to put them into paragraph form later on this year. You'll notice specifically on page 7 there is a photograph. The caption says that people use their own boats to help each other. All right, so that's a text feature. I'm using the photograph with a caption. Now, in our second column, this is our inferencing. Inferencing is what the detail tells us. And typically, we like you to start those off by saying, this shows. Well, this shows that people were willing to use their own belongings to help one another. And you know, as well as I, that sometimes people are not so sharing. But in this time of need, everybody was really needy. People were really helping one another out, which is great. Our last column is the analysis column. Why do we care? This is where we're going to start our sentence off by saying this means. This means that even though there was a lot of devastation, people worked together to help others. Now, you can use my exact examples if you'd like. Just copy those down. And then what I would like you to do is I would like you to come up with 2 more examples of text evidence from the passage. You want to focus on either the map or the map and the pictures. And once again, you're going to use mine as your model. And I want you to come up with inferencing and analysis similar to what I did, but it needs to be specific to the evidence. Once again, if you have any questions or concerns, let us know. We're here to help. See you again soon.